Hello everyone, today we are going to look into a very small endocrine topic, that is classes of hormones. The reason why I chose this topic is because many of us are confused with which hormone belongs to which category, right? So we'll sort it out. So there are totally 5 classes of hormones, that is amino acid derivative, vitamin derivative, small peptides, large peptides, and steroid hormones. Let's look into the first one. So amino acid derivatives, what kind of hormones come under this category is thyroid hormones T3 and T4 and catecholamines, that is adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine. So where are these derived from? Which amino acid? It is tyrosine. So the second one is vitamin derivative, which is vitamin A and vitamin D. Third is the class of small peptides, which means they contain less than 50 amino acids. So what kind of hormones come under this category is most of the hypothalamo-pituitary hormones, but except FSH, LH, TSH, which are glycoproteins, which means the protein content is more compared to the carbohydrate. It is opposite to the term, the meaning is. So, and it contains more than 200 amino acids. Also, neuropeptides like neurotensin, neuropeptide Y, enkephalins, and endorphins. These are produced by the neurons, and these also come under this category. The fourth one is large peptides, which includes insulin, released by the beta cells of pancreas, of course, and parathormone and renin. The fifth class is steroid hormones. Whenever we hear this word steroid, we get to remember adrenal cortex, right? So yeah, aldosterone, cortisol, and even the sex steroids produced from the adrenal gland belongs to this category. And also the gonadal hormones, those are separate, that are being released by the gonads in our body, like the ovary and the testes. They also come under the steroid category. So before we wind up, we'll just look into the receptors. What are receptors? That is the hormones which are released from the gland, has to act on a particular target organ and the cell, right? So it needs receptor to go and fix on it. There are 2 types of receptors, that is intracellular and cell membrane receptors. Cytoplasmic and nuclear come under intracellular, and these 4 which are marked in the red come into the cell membrane category: threonine kinase, tyrosine kinase, G protein coupled, and JAK-STAT receptors. So the intracellular is termed as the group 1 and the cell membrane is termed as the group 2. So which hormones choose which receptor pathway, we'll talk about it in the next video. So finally, thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and any doubts or corrections, please mention it below. Bye bye.